gonna do that again because it was a hell of a lot. Oh, excuse me.
Holy bejesus Christ. One really beautiful long left.
One right. Let the funsies begin. You say check your brakes.
Yeah, making sure they work.
Fun time. Do you want to go in front?
Sorry?
Do you want to go in front?
Come on.
Let's do some off-roading on a R3, shall we? Boing. Only certain places you can overtake on this road, unfortunately. I think that's all the bombs. Fun, safety fun. Come on. Oh, I'm so glad he's back. I haven't ridden with him in like 6 months, bro. No, these are the nicest parts of the road and there's traffic! Oh well, we can enjoy the scenery, the scenery. Give the people something to watch. It's a moo-moo! It's blind corner, so obviously I'm not going to overtake here. Let's go chill. Just vibing, bro. Just chilling, just vibing. Yeah, slow speed body position practice. I don't know if you wanna go back that way. Because it's quieter going that way. It was quite busy coming this way.
Yeah, I don't mind. I've got a problem. I can't get back in gear now.
What?
Because if I let go of this leg, I can't grab with this one. Yeah, now I've got it.
You gotta. So, I'm just gonna do that again because there was a hell of a lot. Oh, excuse me. A hell of traffic on the other way. Go. What the frick? There's a dog, man. Really? Just all out, you know. Finally, he must know. Yeah, let's go. Oh, yes, we had a little bang there. But this is where it gets pretty dark, so we don't wanna fall here. Welcome back, Felix. As he put both his feet out, I thought he was gonna crash. Yeah, that's a big one. Only accelerate when you can see the exit and take away the angle, my friends. Otherwise you would have gone straight off that cliff. This is a parking spot, so I'm gonna be on the brakes. You can turn in front of you. See the exit, take away the angle. You'll probably get onto Turkey to get some drive out of the corner. And power! On the brakes. Oh, that sounds so good! On the brakes. Always trail brake to the brown corners. So you just sit on the brakes so you can see the exit and take away lean angle. Oh! Yeah, that was nice.
Holy bejesus Christ. Front and rear brake are screaming at me now. They don't want to continue, I think.
Okay.
They're starting to leave me.
Oh shit.
You know? that one really beautiful long left, and then there was that sand strip right in the...
Oh yeah.
No! No! I'm gonna lay out for you to see that.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Front wheel, rear wheel. I saw it like, I gotta commit to this one now. Stand it up a little and just...
So some of those corners, if you just send it, you're gone. You're just sliding
and
out.
there's somewhere you don't think that they continue.
Yeah.
And then you like turn onto themselves.
Yeah, exactly. There's one right hand, I think.
There was one corner when we first went there. It was like, oh, this is 90 degrees, maybe a little more.
Yeah. And it keeps going, exactly.
There was one time where it sent me wide and there was a car coming the other way.
Ooh.
I was still on my lane, so I wasn't stressing. And the rear tire just...
Yeah.
What is that noise? You don't feel it a lot, because it's probably flexing underneath you. You have no idea. It's just doing its own thing.
Yeah. That's why when there's a lot of shade on the floor, it's like, okay, I'm just commuting now. I'm not riding.
There's trees before that. Where you go dark, light.
Yes.
And I can see that it's like just a slight curve, and I want to give full throttle, but
no.
There's a pothole, and I suddenly come into the dark and then see it.
Exactly. It's just you don't know.
I was trying to like pick up the pace even more, but then I feel my heart.
Yeah.
I'm like, nah, this is not right. This is.
And you also like get this gut feeling where your brain is telling you like,
Something will go wrong if I keep doing this.
Exactly. Yeah. It's just like your mind is telling you that you're going quick enough, you're having lots of fun, but if you go any quicker, it's not. How are the metro cops? I was like, not a chance. We just said we're gonna do this again, and there's a cop in front of us the whole way.
I was like, if you just overtake at a normal speed. But then I'm thinking he probably knows that people ride fast, so he's just waiting for somebody to overtake, so he can be whoop whoop.
Yeah. I'll take it straight to jail.